Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stocks were lower Thursday amid concerns over the withdrawal of the Federal Reserve's bond buying program and fresh fears about China's manufacturing sector. The downbeat sentiment was fueled by HSBC's preliminary China manufacturing data for June that came out at 48.3 compared to final reading of 49.2 in May, the lowest level for the measure in 9 months. A score below 50 indicates a contraction in manufacturing activity. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index sank 2.5% and the Hang Seng China Enterprises Index plunged 3.1%. Japanese stocks shrugged off the weakness in the yen and joined the regional sell-off, with the Nikkei stock average down 1%, the index first significant fall since it dropped 6.4% last Thursday. The session started with stocks lower after the Fed concluded its long-awaited policy meeting overnight, upgrading their assessment of the US economy. Although the central bank took no immediate action, the suggestion of a timeline to start rolling back its bond buying program by the year-end triggered a sell-off in the US stocks. The impact of the manufacturing data was felt further afield, with the Australian dollar falling after its release, last at $0.9245. The dollar jumped 1.2% against the yen overnight and was a tad higher in Asia trading, recently at 97.15 yens compared with 96.47 late Wednesday in New York. Gold also weakened after the Fed meeting. The precious metal was recently down 2.1% at $1,345.80 an ounce. Thursday brings a wave of new economic numbers for Europe and the US, including the June flash estimate of the Eurozone Manufacturing Purchasing Manager Index PMI and the CBI Industrial Trend Survey for Britain. For the US, existing home sales and the Conference Board's update of its index of leading indicators will be carefully reviewed. Are the numbers that deserve close attention the initial estimates of June PMI data for Germany and the US manufacturing PMI 13 GMT. The outlook for manufacturing is deeply divided. According to the ISM Manufacturing Index, the sector is contracting, but markets' competing PMI numbers beg to differ, reflecting a slower pace of otherwise decent growth through May. One of these indices is wrong, and so today's update will be closely watched for fresh perspective. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.